One more very important thing in here in the constructor. Usually if you see the code like this, the name like title, it's the same like here. So in real life we will do that like this, okay? Title, book author, year, and here will be the same. I need to put here a different names of for the attributes because I want you to see the connection between these values and these values and these values. But in the real life we use the same name like title, author, year, self-title, self-author, self-year. Okay, so but everything it's perfectly fine. Everything works. Okay, so now I hope that you understand how the constructor works.